guys, welcome back. It's Danny, and today I am going to do a review on Smile Sciences. It is a first impression. I ordered this online and I used a discount code from Kelly Eden. She's a very popular YouTuber. And yeah, I got the bubblegum flavor and we're gonna test this out and see how white it gets my teeth. This is what the box looks like. It has a little thank you card on top that recommends other products, how to use it, and more things to find them online. And this is what comes in the box. It has an LED light that you use to put over the guards. It comes with two customizable mouth guards that you form to your teeth, a teeth whitening gel pen, the teeth whitening gel, two vitamin E swabs, and the teeth shade chart that you can keep track of your progress. First things first, you're going to get your mouth guards. I already pre-formed them to my teeth, and you're going to cut off the excess so that whenever you put the whitening gel, it doesn't irritate your gums. So I'm going to check to see if I need to cut off any excess, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I trimmed the bottom one. The top didn't need any trimming, and I took off the little tabs. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the whitening gel, a little amount goes a long way, into the tooth crevices of the guards, and we're going to try it out. The instructions say that you're supposed to have your teeth completely dry when you put in the guards with the gel. So I'm going to dry off my teeth and put them in. Put the gels in. I'm going to put them in. Hopefully I put enough. And we'll see. Once you have them both in, you put the light in, and you're going to want to have it in for 20 to 30 minutes, and I did 30 to get the full effect. So by the time I started editing this video, I didn't realize how much the lighting had changed in the room when I was recording. So you can't really tell, but it had gone up a few shades lighter. Okay, so I just popped my tray out with the light, and I was measuring myself at an 11 before, and now I am measuring myself between a 7 or a 6. So it did work. They recommend that you use it daily until you get your desired shade. So I might try using it for a week and do a update in a vlog. And yeah, they also have a teeth whitening gel brush that you could do spot touch-ups with. So I might try doing that. But as a first impression, it did work. I just had a problem like producing a lot of saliva, but I feel like that's normal when you have something foreign in your mouth. And yeah, so if you like the video and you like me and you want to stay tuned for more, leave a like and a comment down below and subscribe. Become a member of the Chuucrew, and I hope to see you in the next video.